That dreaded black screen on your Samsung Galaxy. Don't panic, let's bring it back to life. First up, the simplest fix: a force restart for most Samsung Galaxy phones. Press and hold both the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo appear on the screen. This is like a hard reboot and can often clear temporary software glitches causing the black screen. If the force restart didn't work, try a soft reboot. Gently press and hold the power button alone for around 10 to 20 seconds. You might feel a slight vibration or see the screen briefly flicker. This allows the software to properly shut down and restart without a full system interruption. Now, let's rule out battery issues. Connect your phone to its original charger and a working power outlet. Leave it plugged in for at least 30 minutes. Even if you don't see any charging indicators, sometimes the battery drains completely, and the phone needs a good amount of time to build up enough power to boot up. While it's charging, check for any physical damage. Inspect the screen for cracks or signs of impact. Also, ensure the charging port is clean and free of debris, which can interfere with charging or data transfer. You can use a compressed air can or a soft, dry brush to gently clean it. If you're still stuck with a black screen, and especially if you recently dropped your phone or it got wet, there might be a more serious internal hardware issue. In this case, it's best to explore professional repair options to get your beloved Samsung Galaxy back to its full glory. If you're still stuck with a black screen, and especially if you recently dropped your phone or it got wet, there might be a more serious internal hardware issue. In this case, it's best to explore professional repair options to get your beloved Samsung Galaxy back to its full glory.